Hello, we are Megan and Xuan from Team Deskies, and our app transforms productivity into a cozy, rewarding experience. Deskies is a cottagecore themed timer tool that makes focus feel personal, visual, and emotionally engaging. In our fast-paced digital life, staying focused is hard. Unlike rigid apps like Forest, Deskies uses charming visuals and gentle feedback to help users build lasting habits, not just check off tasks. First, users set focus timers. Ending early causes food to spoil, encouraging discipline. Then, the dashboard tracks your total time, completed sessions, and progress trends. Each completed section adds treats like cupcakes or juice to your picnic basket. As users stay consistent, they unlock woodland animals that they can feed and collect in a growing gallery.
Our design is intuitive and modular. From logging in to completing sessions and feeding animals, users follow a simple visual journey. Each screen is carefully planned to create a calm, rewarding loop. We are building Deskies using React, Firebase, and modular components. We follow agile practices, use GitHub for collaboration, and focus on scalable, maintainable design. We look forward to embarking on this meaningful project and improving our skills along the way.
Since our pitch, we've implemented a robust authentication system using Firebase. When users sign up, we securely store their credentials and create personalized Firebase profiles with initial progress stats. Our navigation flow has been changed, now using Firebase's on-off state change listener to automatically route authenticated users to the home screen with their email and UID. This eliminates race conditions and ensures seamless session restoration. Our timer now works reliably in real-world conditions. Users select durations via a scrollable picker, and the timer persists even when apps are backgrounded or devices locked. We've added a pause-resume functionality and made reset logic smarter. It now resets to your last selected duration rather than defaulting. The entire system uses React Native's AppState API to maintain accuracy across interruptions. Visually, we've built the picnic basket interface where completed sessions add food items. Crucially, we've implemented the spoilage mechanic. Ending sessions early now marks your most recent food item as spoiled, using local state management. When sessions complete naturally, users see a celebratory overlay with a direct view basket option. All screens follow our cottagecore aesthetic with cohesive styling. Under the hood, we've made key engineering choices. We've decoupled authentication from UI using an observer pattern, structured Firestore documents with user-specific fields like streak and milestones, implemented security rules restricting data access to owners, used context API for global state alongside local use state and use effect, and built modular components like timer and basket for scalability. We've rigorously tested call flows. Authentication persists across restarts, timer accuracy maintains within 0.5 seconds per minute in background, and spoilage triggers correctly. We've redesigned the interface to focus on 3 core actions: starting a focus timer, viewing your basket, and tracking productivity. This makes the experience faster, more intuitive, and free from clutter. We also introduced a bottom tab navigation, which significantly improves flow between screens and reduces transition delays. On the back end, we optimized authentication handling. User sessions are now managed securely with Firebase, and all account-related settings are housed in a dedicated profile tab. Finally, both the basket and productivity features are now fully implemented. Basket now syncs with Firestore in real time, and productivity offers interactive dashboards all with offline support and error handling. We also redesigned the sign-up screen for better brand clarity and flow, using the title Join Deskies, improved visual hierarchy, and cleaner CTA placement. After login, users land on a fully redesigned home screen focused on 3 actions: starting the timer, viewing the basket, and checking productivity. Navigation is now faster with a bottom tab bar built using Create Bottom Tab Navigator. The timer uses persistent state and seamless switching. Basket and productivity dashboards are now fully functional and with fire sourcing and offline support. Finally, we implemented a secure logout flow via Firebase, clearing all user data and returning to the sign-in screen. We conducted user testing with 8 participants to evaluate the app's design and core features. Starting with UI UX, 6 out of 8 users liked the design's aesthetic, and most found the navigation very intuitive. The timer interface also provided positive feedback for its minimal and clean look, and nearly everyone found it easy to start a session. For the timer system, all users found the start, pause, and reset controls responsive, and most said the session completion pop-up was clear. The spoilage mechanic was generally understood, and one user even found it motivating. Moving to the reward system, most users liked the food visuals and felt that earning rewards made the sessions more meaningful. The majority understood why they received specific items, though a few suggested making spoiled food visuals more obvious. Finally, on progress tracking, almost all users said they'd be motivated by seeing their session stats and streaks. Overall, these insights confirm that we are on the right track, with some clear areas for polish around clarity and visual cues.